Around the age of 4 and 5, children start getting really curious about doing things that adults do, like cooking and taking part of daily chores. With Peter Rabbit Cooks with Math, you're learning math all the while preparing recipes with Peter Rabbit and learning all about those. Let's take a look at how it works.
When I ask for 6 tomatoes, you have to make the addition or subtraction to find the right amount and snap the cubes together. Fantastico! That's it! The next step is spoons of soy sauce. 14 times, please!
14 times means 8 plus 4? That's 12. We need 14, so that must be 2 more. 6 is 2 more than 4. That's it.
Spoons of soy sauce.
This is a math game that adapts to your skill level in real time, so it's never too hard or too easy. And you get to try as many times as you want. We've really designed it to help children practice their math skills and improve and get better at their own rhythm and their own speed.